Hello everyone, welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate travel guide. We're your go-to source for all things travel, serving up a mix of well-loved destinations, hidden gems, and the best tips and tricks for making the most of your adventures. Today, we're setting our sights on the city by the bay, the Golden City, the one and only San Francisco. We'll be delving into the top 10 things that make this vibrant city truly unique. So, are you ready to discover what makes San Francisco so special? Buckle up! First on our list, the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. This marvel of modern engineering has been gracing San Francisco's skyline since its completion in 1937. It's not just a bridge, it's a symbol of the city's innovative spirit and resilience. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its distinctive orange hue, was once the longest suspension bridge in the world. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, spanning nearly 2 miles across the Golden Gate Strait. Its Art Deco design and towering pillars have made it one of the most photographed structures in the world. The bridge connects San Francisco to Marin County, serving as a vital artery for commuters, while also offering breathtaking views of the city and the bay. Its construction was a remarkable feat, overcoming many hurdles including treacherous tides, dense fog, and strong winds. The Golden Gate Bridge is more than just a passage. It's a monument to progress and a beacon for dreamers. The Golden Gate Bridge, a must-visit when in San Francisco. Next up, the infamous Alcatraz. A chilling name that echoes through the annals of history, Alcatraz is a stark reminder of San Francisco's darker past. Once a formidable fortress in the middle of the bay, it served as a maximum security prison for the country's most notorious criminals. Tales of escape attempts, brutal living conditions, and the infamous residents like Al Capone make Alcatraz a gripping tale to explore. Today, it's a tourist magnet, drawing in millions from around the globe. Its eerie allure is irresistible, as visitors are captivated by the stories of the men who lived and died within its walls. A tour of Alcatraz is a journey into a part of history that's as fascinating as it is grim. The island itself, with its dilapidated structures and beautiful views of the San Francisco skyline, forms an uncanny paradox that leaves a lasting impression. Alcatraz, a chilling but fascinating piece of San Francisco's history. Moving on to the lively Fisherman's Wharf, a bustling waterfront haven that epitomizes the essence of San Francisco. Here, you can find a plethora of attractions that cater to every taste, from the fascinating sea lions at Pier 39 to the historic ships at Hyde Street Pier. Fisherman's Wharf never fails to fascinate. And for the food enthusiasts, this is a paradise. Indulge in the city's iconic dishes, such as clam chowder served in a sourdough bread bowl, or the ever-delicious Dungeness crab, freshly caught and cooked to perfection. For those seeking fun and games, the vintage arcade at Musée Mécanique and the interactive exhibits at the Exploratorium offer a unique blend of education and entertainment. Or perhaps a scenic cruise around the bay is more your speed? No matter what your preference, Fisherman's Wharf is a place where memories are made. Fisherman's Wharf, where San Francisco's charm truly shines. Now, let's hop on to San Francisco's historic cable cars. These charming vehicles have been a part of the city's fabric since the late 19th century, and they're not just for tourists, they're a piece of living history. San Francisco's cable car system is the last manually operated one in the world. It's not just a novel way to travel, it's a ticket to a bygone era. With 3 routes, Powell Hyde, Powell Mason, and California Street, they traverse various cityscapes, offering unique perspectives of the city's diverse neighborhoods. Riding the cable cars is an experience unlike any other. As they clang their way up the city's steep hills, you can feel the pulse of the city beneath you. The breeze carries with it the scent of the ocean, mingled with the aroma of sourdough bread baking in nearby bakeries. Historic cable cars, a quintessential San Francisco experience. Join us on the next stop of our journey with the Traveling Kangaroo. For the sports enthusiasts, we have the San Francisco Giants. This Major League Baseball team, steeped in history and tradition, is an integral part of the city's culture. Since their move from New York to San Francisco in 1958, the Giants have cultivated a strong following, with fans filling the stands of their home ground, the impressive AT&T Park, come rain or shine. The Giants' illustrious career includes multiple World Series titles, making them one of the most successful teams in baseball history. Legends like Willie Mays, Barry Bonds, and Buster Posey have donned the orange and black, leaving indelible marks on the sport. AT&T Park, with its stunning views of the San Francisco Bay, is more than just a baseball stadium. It's a testament to the city's love for the game, a gathering place where memories are made, and dreams are realized. The San Francisco Giants, a source of pride and joy for the city. Next, we have the delightful Painted Ladies. These vibrant Victorian and Edwardian houses, known for their multiple colors that embellish or enhance their architectural details, are an iconic image of San Francisco. The term Painted Ladies was first used in 1978 by authors Elizabeth Pomada and Michael Larson in their book Painted Ladies: San Francisco's Resplendent Victorians. The most famous cluster of Painted Ladies is located across from Alamo Square Park along Steiner Street. This block, often referred to as Postcard Row, showcases the charm of these historic homes against the backdrop of downtown San Francisco. The quintessential architecture of these houses, with intricate details and ornate trims, reflects the city's prosperous times during the Gold Rush era. Over the years, they've been lovingly restored and are now cherished symbols of the city's resilience and cultural diversity. The Painted Ladies, a colorful spectacle that defines San Francisco. Up next, the unique Lombard Street. Have you ever imagined a road that twists and turns like a dizzy snake? Welcome to Lombard Street, famously known as the crookedest street in the world. This peculiar pathway, located in the Russian Hill district, is not your typical street. With its 8 hairpin turns, Lombard Street is a marvel of urban planning. The idea behind this zigzag design was to reduce the hill's natural steep slope. It's a safety measure turned tourist attraction. Today, it's adorned with beautiful flowers and greenery, making it not just a road, but a lovely garden path. Visitors can either drive down this one-way street or watch the spectacle from the bottom. But beware, it's not for the faint-hearted. The descent can be quite an adventure, but the beautiful Victorian mansions lining the street and the stunning view of the city's skyline make it worth the thrill. Lombard Street, a quirky and fun part of San Francisco's personality. Now let's dig into San Francisco's famous clam chowder. This hearty concoction, brimming with clams, potatoes, onions, and celery, simmered in a creamy broth, is a culinary emblem of San Francisco. It's a comforting bowl of deliciousness that warms you from the inside out, especially on those foggy San Francisco days. While you can find clam chowder all over the city, the best ones are often found at Fisherman's Wharf. Here, it's traditionally served in a hollowed-out sourdough bread bowl, adding an extra dimension of flavor and texture. The tangy sourdough perfectly complements the rich, creamy chowder, creating a symphony of tastes in your mouth. So why is it a must-try? Well, it's more than just a dish. It's a part of San Francisco's rich culinary tradition, a nod to the city's fishing history, and a testament to its love for fresh, local ingredients. San Francisco's clam chowder, a gastronomic delight you can't miss. Who's up for some sweet treats at Ghirardelli? As we delve into the history of this iconic chocolate company, you'll discover that Ghirardelli is not just a brand, it's a San Francisco tradition. Established in the heart of the city in 1852, Ghirardelli has been serving up delectable delights for well over a century. And oh, what a story it has to tell. From its humble beginnings as a small confectionery shop to becoming a globally recognized brand, Ghirardelli's success is a testament to the quality and craftsmanship that goes into each chocolate square. Stepping into a Ghirardelli store is like entering a chocolate lover's paradise. A tantalizing array of chocolates awaits, each one crafted with care and precision. The rich, smooth, melt-in-your-mouth sensation of a Ghirardelli chocolate is something you need to experience. And remember, when you're savoring the creamy goodness, you're not just enjoying a piece of chocolate, you're indulging in a piece of San Francisco's history. Ghirardelli, satisfying San Francisco's sweet tooth since 1852. Last but not least, we have San Francisco's vibrant Chinatown. This bustling neighborhood is a testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry, brimming with history, color, and life. As the oldest Chinatown in North America, it's a living monument to Chinese culture and influence in the United States. Walking through the streets, you'll find yourself immersed in an atmosphere that feels a world away. The air is filled with the aroma of authentic Chinese cuisine wafting from the myriad of restaurants and food stalls. From dim sum to Peking duck, the food here is a gastronomic adventure. Apart from the food, there are numerous attractions to explore. The ornate temples and pagodas, vibrant markets selling everything from fresh produce to exotic trinkets, and the iconic Dragon Gate are all part of the Chinatown experience. San Francisco's Chinatown is not just a neighborhood, it's a cultural journey. A journey that takes you through the heart of a community that has shaped the city. San Francisco's Chinatown, a cultural gem in the heart of the city. And that concludes our tour of what San Francisco is known for. We've journeyed through the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, the infamous Alcatraz, the lively Fisherman's Wharf, ridden the historic cable cars, cheered for the San Francisco Giants, admired the painted ladies, zigzagged down Lombard Street, savored clam chowder, indulged in Ghirardelli chocolates, and explored the vibrant Chinatown. Thanks for joining us on Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel insights. Until next time.